For the bees, it's worth the effort. They need the nectar to make honey, which they store in pots. It's so precious, they keep it hidden beneath the bark of a tree. But their secret is out. Nothing is safe in this forest. Chimpanzees love honey. She seems oblivious to danger. A fall from up here could be fatal. But she does need a bigger stick. Only a chimp has the ability to break into a stingless bee's nest as well hidden as this. Chimps are extremely intelligent, but none is born with the skill to use a tool. Youngsters like this one must learn by watching. She uses special tools, one after another, to get all the honey she can. And in a few minutes she destroys what took the bees years to build. In the rainforest, nothing is safe.